Greetings, this is Bob the Tech Guy, and in today's video we're going to take a look at layout from Instagram. Layout from Instagram is a way for you to take multiple photographs and put them together in different and interesting ways, and to do it very easily right on your mobile device. So let's get started. All right, so here we are in the actual application. It starts out with all photos, so it's your entire photo library. You can also view albums, so if you click the all photos, you'll see a list of all of your albums. I created one called Demo. It's got just 10 images in there just to give you an idea. So inside here we have some photos. It's really easy to get started. All you have to do, literally, is to just start clicking on the photos. You can just select them one by one, and they just appear in the top preview for you in the order that you click them. And then you can choose any one of a number of different layouts. So once you have your layout, now you can go ahead and grab that little blue bar, and you can move it up and down to resize all the photos to make one more prominent or not. You can also go and pinch and grab to zoom in any of the photos. And then also you can move around. So I can zoom in, and then I can move up or down or right or left, kind of get the cropping the way that I want to. Now once you select an image, you can go ahead and mirror it. You can flip it. Next, you can go ahead and replace a photo, and it's very easy to do. All you do is you click on the photo that you want to replace, tap replace, and it will show you all the photos that you're currently in our demo, for example. I'm going to choose one, size it, click the done button up there, and it will go back to just where it was. Now you can also choose borders. So there's a little white border that goes between them. I'm going to toggle them on and off so you can see that. And finally, you can just go ahead and click save. And now you're ready to share it. So you can click the more button and share it just like you can with any other photo or video, or you can share it on Instagram. And unless you create a story, or go ahead and just post it right to your feed. Well, that about does it for this tutorial. Until next time, this is Bob the Tech Guy.